Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to work on my mini journal and I'm bringing you along to see my process. I'm using the globleland silicone stamps, the inks, the coffee stain ones, and let's see what we come up with. Here are the different coffee stains that you can use, and they have splatters as well, and as well as some mini ones. So I'm going to be using the larger ones, and I think one of the little ones. So here's a quick walkthrough of the journal of all the pages I've done so far. That's the one I did on my live, and then a few that I did later on. These pages have been fun to work with. They're nice and small, and you can just do whatever you want on them. So now let's start on the coffee stain one. I'm using the Memento Mini Rich Cocoa ink pad, and I have an acrylic block that I'm using that I've had for who knows how long. So let's start stamping and see where it takes us, and enjoy the music. Now I'm going to be using one of my alcohol markers. I believe I got this at Burlington Coat. I'm not sure. Now I'm just going to write coffee. You can write it with your pencil first and then go back with it with the marker, or do whatever you want. This is, this is your little journal. You're the creative one here. And then I look at it and I think there's some missing spots, so I'll go back to the silicone stamps and fill in the missing spots. I'll leave the link down to the silicone stamp down below. If you're liking this content, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Comment below, what will you do with your coffee stains? So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with some coffee stains.